Hello and welcome back, everybody. Thank you for being here. Really appreciate all of you. Alright, girls and boys, I have a huge announcement. Okay? Uh, YouTube channel, Freedom Gardens. Now, Freedom Music Studios. So pretty much we're gonna go over 1 year. We're gonna go back to the last date. My notes that I uploaded a video, and that was episode 76 of being homeless, living in my truck, unlawful eviction, unlawful termination, all this injustice, right? So that was 10/20/2023, October 20th, 2023, last year. And we are in Sunday, November 24. Sunday, November 24, 5:49 and 5:49. You guys can see it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go through everything that all of you guys should expect. And I do apologize for the going MIA, missing in action, but I'm back, and this is an update of what is to be uploaded, what is to be expected. Okay, so we're gonna catch up. So I have 1 year of backed up footage, video and pictures, and this is the content. So a couple of things, then we're gonna go through it. Okay, everyone. Alright, so it's my number one, the NAMM show of this year, 2024. I lost the footage of last year, and it was really good. I did some really good interviews and all that stuff, but oh well. This coming up year, I just gotta show up, and I am, and I'm going in with Cream's guitar, so stay tuned for that. Alright, everyone, so number one, NAMM show 2024. Number two, DYI acoustic soundproofing panels. Okay, complete innovation, complete own design. Okay, number three, Freedom Music studio built, which is, I'm gonna give you guys a glance. Okay, check this out, girls and boys. Yep, so little glance. So it's an acoustic hybrid electric drum set, double single pedal. Yeah, so we'll go through all of this, but you guys gotta subscribe, like, comment, share, and yeah, follow the journey. All right, everyone, so you're gonna see this whole process. Number four is picking up music gear and materials for all of this, the whole rehearsal and recording. Freedom Music Studios. Okay, and then number five is mental health, holistic approach to living, but mainly mental health. And then six, organizing personal space. Okay, how I went about going even the other side, which I'm going to give you a little glance, a little tour at the end of this list of all the expected footage and videos that are going to be uploaded very soon. So I'm going to start editing and uploading. So that's the announcement. Okay, number seven, my video editing PC maintenance and new setup with hard drives, 14 terabytes. Number 8, Facebook Marketplace profile, selling and listings. because I have a bunch of stuff on Facebook. And then number 9, unpackaging, unboxing, and unbagging. You know, so videos. Okay, that's number 9. Then number 10, we're at DIY drum hacks. So throughout these builds, I had to get innovative, creative, and bust a bunch of MacGyvers. A lot of innovations, a lot of DIY drum hacks. Okay, so stay tuned for those. 11, all drum and guitar jams, me just jamming out. Okay, and then a special one, lightsaber drumsticks, RGB LED. It looks sick, badass, dude. So, telling you, a lot of good content, a lot. So number 12, new lifestyle progress and updates videos. 13, picking up pressure washer and laser level tools for the builds. 14, reflecting on life and life lessons. 15, a produce haul, going to the produce market, and new owners, which means new rules. And then 16, Halloween of last year and how I got my utility trailer back. 17, San Diego road trip, Facebook marketplace scam. But it was a win, trust me. 18, SoCal chiropractor with Dr. Taylor and the x-ray, so you guys can see why and how I'm all jacked up, my spine. All the pain and everything, all the damage. Okay. And then 19, leaving the storage unit. You know where I was at, the storage unit. Excuse me, the storage unit in Central Avenue, and my nephew Hendrix helped me out. Kudos to him. Hey Hendrix, thanks little buddy. Alright. 20, new place on 97th and Central Avenue. The transition from storage unit, living in a truck, to little back house, little single dwelling, little addition, like a little back house, you know, in the backyard. Yeah. So, and then 21, new place on Huntington Park. That's where I'm at right now. This is current. And then 22, guitar center jams, drum jams. 23, for the One Piece live action Netflix series, and they have different seasons, and they're gonna go all the way, and I know they are. I'm saving myself. I have not seen one episode, seen little glimpses, you know, but guess what, I'm gonna see if I can get the casting, if I could be part of the role. I mean, part of the casting, and take the role of Kosuke Oden, be part of the team, and then send my audition tape. Yeah, I think I look like Kosuke Oden, and he's my second favorite character. My first one is obviously Zoro. That's why I'm doing 3 drumstick style. Yeah, number 1 is Zoro, and then number 2, it's Kosuke Oden, and I will play him real good. So yeah, so I'm gonna send my audition tape so I could be part of the you know, the casting, and you know, part of the crew. Yeah, and it'll be also a good opportunity. And then number 24, I got the email most recent. It's AC Infinity, you know, the grow tents and all that stuff for growing. So AC Infinity, I'm gonna have a early Black Friday deals or specials and sale. Okay, and then number 25. Right now, most recent, one of the original, like, super loyal drummers, I think his name is Tim Herb Anderson or Henderson, but it's the drummer from Primus. I'm sorry I got his name wrong. But he quit the band, and right now it's all over YouTube, and there's already a lot of videos. The competition is really high, but they're looking worldwide for the best drummer to see if they can replace and continue touring and the music. So I'm gonna send my my drummer auditions. I'm gonna send them a playlist of all the stuff. I'm just gonna send them when I upload everything. I'm just gonna send them the playlist, like the link, and they can just check it out. And I'm gonna send my resume, my actual resume. Yeah. Like if I was applying for a job, because that's what they request, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna send my auditions for One Piece and then for Primus, and then bad news. Most recent, the day after my birthday, November 7th, my truck broke down. Everyone, my truck broke down, the troquita, and so I'm gonna get it fixed, and yeah, and then start doing the modifications, make it a mobile juice bar, set up the roof cart tent on top of the camper shell, and then set up panels on top of that, and then the utility trailer converted into a mobile rehearsal jam space. Yeah, so it's gonna be all that in one. So, and a whole lot more to come, everyone. So stay tuned. No, stay in tune, everyone. Yeah, stay in tune, everyone. Yeah, don't get out of tune. You don't sound right. Alright, everyone. So that is what is to be expected of Freedom Sound Studios. And I'm gonna show you guys again, like my little setup. And then it's already 12 minutes, and I'll give you guys a little glimpse of my drum set in the little space. I'll wrap around and give you guys a little quick tour of what's to come and what to expect. Alright, everyone, so I'm going to show you the ceiling, and then behind me. Alright, let me stand up, and I'm going to get out of here so I can show all of you guys. And all of these are acoustic panels, so you guys are going to see all of this. Yeah. Alright, everyone, let's get out of here. You see, I'm boxed in. Alright, so let's go. I just wanted to show you guys and give you guys this little update, and I'm excited, and yeah, I just been working in silent, you know, like, and that's kind of what I have to do every time. It's an electric pad. Just slide this over. Move this. Oops, sorry. Slide this over. Since I'm a slim guy, I could fit through. All right, everyone. So this is my setup. We're gonna. Well, there's little things that I still have to, you know, kind of tweak and make nice and solid. So it's like pretty much 90% complete, 85% complete, you know. But this is it. This glass, and then there's some metal roll-up door. Yeah, everyone. So, and this is everything that is for sale, and this is my personal stuff right here. But yeah, there you go, my people. Give you guys a little glance of how all of this came to be, the process, the progress. Yeah, just how I went about it. Okay, and now let's go to the other side, my little personal space. This is the Freedom Music rehearsal slash studios. Alright everyone, let's go. Okay, so here we go. Alright everyone, just give you guys a little quick glance of my space. Yeah, so stay tuned everyone, because there's a lot of contents, a lot of videos I gotta edit and upload, but this is the first one of many to come. This is an update, an announcement that I'm back, and I'm gonna start editing and uploading everything, and we're gonna catch up to this day. Okay, so all that backed up footage, it's all gonna get uploaded. Alright, so there you go. Still a work in progress. Alright everyone, this is my little space. Alright. And I'm trying to maximize everything and go vertical, and then even yeah, just, but it's all a work in progress. These are for sale. Well, you'll see. Just stay tuned everybody. This is it. This is just a little glimpse of my little spot. Alright. Alright everyone. Alright everyone, so stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna edit and upload this, and I'm also gonna upload some videos that I have private, and that's pretty much when everything went downhill, when the domino, and yeah, at the fumigation and the solar installation and all that, like, and I will explain eventually with proof and documentation, like paperwork and, like, you know, paper trail, and, you know, just what happened exactly and how it happened, how everything went down. So everything's gonna get clarified. Alright everyone? Alright. So peace, love, and hell. Kusuki Odin out. Alright. Laters everyone.